Is it the right time to buy or sell the QQQ ETF? In this video, we will delve deep into the QQQ ETF. We previously released a report on our website on Thursday, January 25, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and enable notifications to stay updated on our latest analysis. Staying informed about any significant updates that might impact your investments is crucial. Improve your trading decisions by trying out our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 on StockInvest.us. Gain access to the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since January 5, 2024, our system has ranked QQQ as a hold/accumulate, giving it a score of 0.00. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. During these past 14 days, QQQ has surpassed our expectations by delivering a notable gain of 7.46%. In simpler terms, on average, the stock has been generating a daily return of 0.53% since it was designated as hold/accumulate. A score of 0 indicates that our system foresees high volatility and risk for the upcoming trading day. Given the latest developments, we are unable to determine the stock's next direction, as it could go either way. The ETF is currently in the midst of a strong upward trend in the short term, indicating a potential further rise. Based on the 3-month trend, there is a projected 16.61% change over the next 3 months. Investors can expect a possible return between 12.24% and 17.78%. Looking at the 12-month trend, there is a forecasted 33.59% change over the next year. This suggests a potential return between 16.23% and 39.37%. In other words, the price could range from $495.55 to $594.20 after 12 months. Our latest update for the QQQ ETF brings some positive news: a green day on Thursday. On the last trading day, the QQQ ETF price increased by 0.122%, going from $425.83 to $426.35. This marks its 6th consecutive day of gains. While it's rare for ETFs to experience such a winning streak, it's important to note that occasional declines are expected. Throughout the day, the price fluctuated between a low of $423.98 and a high of $429.04, representing a 1.19% difference. In the past 10 days, the price has risen in 8 instances, showing a 4.37% increase over the past 2 weeks. Trading volume decreased by 3 million shares on the last day, with a total of 43 million shares bought and sold, amounting to approximately $18.45 billion. It's worth considering that a decrease in volume as prices rise may indicate divergence and could potentially signal future changes in the coming days. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest price reached by the ETF was $429.85, while the lowest was $285.19. Currently, the price is 0.81% lower than the 52-week high, amounting to a difference of $3.50. It's important to note that this high also marks the all-time high for the ETF. Let's discuss the signals for QQQ, the popular ETF. The QQQ ETF shows positive signs as it holds by signals from both short and long-term moving averages. This indicates a favorable forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal from the relation between these two signals, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. In case of any downward corrections, there is expected support from the lines at $419.82 and $406.30. However, if the stock breaks below these levels, it may issue sell signals. On Thursday, January 4, 2024, a buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point. Since then, the stock has risen by 7.59%. This suggests a potential further rise until a new top pivot is found. Moreover, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, also indicates a buy signal for the ETF. It's important to note that despite gaining prices, the volume fell during the last trading day. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning. Therefore, it is recommended to closely monitor the ETF. In this video, we'll explore some interesting signals you should pay attention to in the stock market. One signal to watch out for is the moving average convergence divergence, which indicates a buy signal. Another signal is the pivots, which showed a buy signal 15 days ago. The Bollinger signal also suggested a buy 1 day ago. However, the short-term moving average indicated a sell signal 8 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average also signaled a sell 16 days ago. Additionally, the relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 55 days ago. Now, let's analyze the 12-month chart for further insights. The short moving average on the 12-month chart showed a buy signal 14 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average indicated a buy signal 57 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages also suggested a buy signal 44 days ago. For more signals and information, visit our page at StockInvest.us. Let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for QQQ. QQQ has found support from accumulated volume at $421.18. This level presents a potential buying opportunity as we can expect an upwards reaction when the support is tested. This ETF is known for its good trading volume, and with minor daily changes, the risk is considered to be low. In the past day, the ETF moved $5.06, 1.19%, between its high and low points. Over the last week, its daily average volatility has been 1.1%. Before we explore the favorable trading levels for QQQ, let's begin with some important fundamental data. Firstly, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This critical ratio evaluates a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A relatively low PE ratio could suggest a lack of confidence in the company's future or indicate that the stock is undervalued, presenting a potential opportunity to buy. Today, we'll be discussing some potential day trading levels for QQQ. As we analyze the stock, we find that there's no significant resistance from accumulated volume above. This means that if the right conditions align, QQQ could experience a swift upward movement. If you're considering entering a position, it would be wise to closely monitor the volume and use it as an indication of when to exit. On the downside, QQQ encounters its first support level at $421.18. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, with the potential for a rebound. Our recommended stop loss for this ETF is set at $410.45, representing a decrease of 3.73%. This ETF exhibits low daily movements, making it a low-risk option. However, it's important to note that the RSI 14 is currently at 93, which significantly increases the risk. On a positive note, there is a buy signal indicated by a pivot bottom identified 14 days ago. Is QQQ ETF a good buy? While QQQ holds several positive signals, we do not believe it is currently a strong buy candidate. Instead, it may be more appropriate to consider holding or accumulating this position while waiting for further development. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems have determined that the current price of QQQ is undervalued. For trading on Friday, January 26, we anticipate QQQ to open up $0.107 and begin trading at $426.46. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading carries a high risk of financial loss. It's always a good idea to consult with a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By using the information provided, you agree to take full responsibility for your own investment decisions. We'd love to hear your opinion on our current view of the stock. Share your thoughts by commenting below. And don't forget to let us know your target for the ETF. If you find this content valuable, remember to like and subscribe to our channel. We're here at Stock Invest, wishing you successful trading and hoping you have a wonderful day.